On October 16th of Seatech Week 2024, from 3:15 to 5:45 p.m. in room Abbaye Bourbon, we will host a workshop titled Navigating the Future, Seaport Connectivity and Islands Offshore Wind Energy. This two-part workshop will highlight specific challenges in seaport connectivity, offshore wind, and how France and Ireland are partnering to address them. In Part 1, Enterprise Ireland will present a diverse range of Irish capabilities in seaport connectivity. We will also have the pleasure of hosting Druid Software and Dalmec, who will share their work and insights, followed by a panel discussion featuring prestigious French guests and moderated by Christian Régnier, founder of EU Winner. In Part 2, we will present the offshore wind ecosystem in Ireland and the various research works conducted there and in partnership with France. We will also have the pleasure of hosting Exocean, Farah Marine and TFI Marine, who will participate in a panel discussion to further explore the most topical issues in this area. This workshop is aimed at seaport and port developers, as well as parties in the offshore wind sector. We look forward to seeing you at Seatech Week.